If you have a Corvette, you gotta get it in red. Aftermarket wheels on it. This red looks insanely nice. What's he doing over there? What? I'm so confused right now. Okay. Anyways, let's keep talking about this Corvette. Look at this carbon roof. Like, check out this carbon roof right here. Super nice. Still over there. What is he doing? What's that guy doing over there, man? Oh shit. Oh shoot. What the heck? What? Okay. Yes, sir?
Today we're going to be talking about the 5 things I love about my Corvette.
That's a GPR cap right there, baby!
The first thing that I absolutely love about the C8 Corvette is the styling. When I look at these cars, in my opinion, I think these cars look amazing. Every time I'm driving down the street and I see a C8 Corvette driving towards me, I'm always like, dude, that Ferrari looks so dope. And then I realize it's a C8 Corvette. Let's take a walk around this car and just check out and admire the beauty that we get to call the C8 Corvette. Just don't look at this curb rash.
Don't look at it, Ethan?
Don't look at it.
Yeah, we're not looking at it.
Number 2 on my list is the fact that this car is mid-engine. I love the fact that we have a 6.2 liter V8 right behind our heads. When you put the pedal down and you hear this motor start purring, it is such an intoxicating experience. Let's give it a listen. So this brings me to number 3 on the list of things I love about my C8 Corvette, and that is the exhaust note on this car. So as we just heard, this car sounds freaking amazing. It's stock. This car is 100% stock and it sounds this good. Let's give it a listen one more time. The number 4 item on today's list is the interior of the C8 is just, it's spot on. They absolutely crushed it. So the layout of the interior is very driver focused. I love the fact that you've got all these controls right here. I love the fact that you've got this knob right here, your screen right here, your digital cockpit display right here, and everything is just focused on the driver. It really sets it up to be a very driver-focused experience, and the fact that they did it this way with the nice leather everywhere, even the seats are like super comfortable. You can even charge your phone if you slide it in right here. Like, this car's interior is like spot on, so I do have to give Chevy props, and the engineer and the designer of this interior, you guys got an A+ in my book. I'm sure you can tell by now that number 5 on this list is the fact that this car features a target top. That means you can remove this centerpiece of the roof from the car and it gives you that convertible experience without actually being a convertible. And because it's a target top, you still get the rigidity of having a coupe, but the benefits of taking the top off like the convertible. Actually, what I love about it is the fact that it reminds me of the Mark IV Supra. Right? Who remembers that from Fast and the Furious 1 when they're driving on the freeway and he pops off his target top and it goes flying behind him? I think of that every time I think about taking the top off of this car. But anyways, that's my number 5. We've got a bonus feature of the things I love about my C8 Corvette, and that is the amount of storage space this car has. Let's check it out. So up here in the frunk, as we like to call it, there's actually a ton of space in here. You can fit like 3 backpacks, you could fit some suitcases, you could fit your briefcase, whatever you need. There's definitely enough room in here to get a lot of your things if you're going on a long trip. There's also more storage in the back of the car. You see how easy it was to put that top back on? Telling you. So here in the back, there is so much more storage here than you would imagine. I mean, the fact that you can store the target top piece back here is one thing, but if you're in coupe mode and you're driving around, like, this is actually a decent amount of space. Like, I take this car to the grocery store sometimes and I can just line up all my bags of groceries right here. So, oh, you can also fit your golf clubs, you old man. You can fit your golf clubs in here, dude, okay? All right, check this out. Watch as we close this trunk. Barely press down, and then boom, the car takes care of the rest. The soft close rear hatch. Beautiful touch, Chevy, beautiful touch. So with that being said, this video has come to an end. This has been the 5 items plus 1 bonus item that I love about my C8 Corvette. And I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So we are right smack dab in the middle of 30 videos in 30 days. And for those of you who have been along for this whole ride, I just want to say thank you so much. It means the world to me. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, comment, all that good stuff. I truly appreciate it. It really helps me out because I'm trying to get pushed back into the algorithm. But with all that being said, we're done. I'm on my way out of here. So I will catch you guys in the next video.